Hey guys, today we have a 1964 Ford F100 long bed for sale. Two-wheel drive, long bed. It's got the aluminum grille, chrome bumpers. Does not run. Remember, this is a project truck. Picked it up in Alabama, straight out the farm. It's got a Y block in it, condition unknown. Figured this be a pretty nice project for somebody. I thought it was a really solid body. It's obviously got some dings and dents, just adds to the patina. Does have some aluminum rally wheels with some brand new tires, 235 75 15. I think overall the body is in really good condition for what it is. As you can see, the cab corners are still in really good shape. The bottom of the door, this side, is not rotted out. The other side has a little spot. Obviously fenders are dinged up. The worst part about this truck are these little spots on each of the corners of the windshield. Show you more of the patina. I think this thing buffed out, cleaned up, would come out really nice. Just a little hole here. Trust me, I've seen a lot worse. Right here, easy fix, a little bit of metal work. The roof, a lot of times inside these drip rails, this builds up and rusts and the roofs are trashed, especially around here. This, solid, really nice. I mean, the roof, the top of the roof, really, really solid. That's one thing that sold me on this truck, is that it may have a couple spots here and there, but overall, very, very solid. Worst part about this door, this spot right here, the bottom of the door, is really good. The floors are really good. Cab corners, pretty solid. Back here, I see them rust back here all the time. This is good. In this corner, I just replaced that on my truck. Floor, got some surface rust, but overall, I think pretty solid. Interior, it's all there. Again, this is a patina truck. It's not a show truck or anything like that. Another thing that I always see on these trucks is around the door, they rot. That's a big negative for me. So, but on this truck, it's good. It's really good. So got original seat here. This is a manual. It's a 3 or 4 speed. I can't remember. But again, it doesn't run, so I don't know the condition of it. Doors overall, really good. Still got the VIN tag. You can see the bottom. A little bit of surface rust, but definitely good. Long bed. The bed's in pretty good shape. You can see. A little bit of rust down here. The bed floor overall decent. One little spot over there we can take a look at. I mean, the top of the roof, the top of the bed, pretty good. Chrome bumper. This is the original style tailgate for this truck. They don't make a reproduction 61 to 66. They do make a reproduction 61 to 63 unibody, but the 64 to 66 has this style tailgate, and a lot of times the reproduction gate is a 67 to 72 bump side style, which you see very common on these trucks. My truck, when I bought that, originally had a newer style tailgate on it, and I ended up finding the correct matching tailgate, so I put that on. So just keep that in mind. Even though it's a little crusty, it's got some spots. The bottom is really good. I see them always blow out down here, so this is nothing. I mean, again, over here, really good. Looks like they did someone did a repair. Usually I see these things just super wavy, beat up. The bed floor, again, overall bed floor, pretty good. Back of the tailgate, pretty good. Just depends what you want to do with it. If you're gonna body drop this thing, lay it down fully on the ground, you know, all the stuff underneath in the bed, all that stuff's gonna go away anyway. So it's a good donor for it. Inside here, same thing on this side. The floor, the step, decent. You know, got some crusty here. I'd probably replace the floor on this side. Overall, that's pretty much it. Check under the hood really quick. I mean, it doesn't run, but you guys can take a look at it. So again, Y block originally, condition unknown. The hood's actually really solid. I always see it rot right around here, right up here, like especially on mine's going. Right up here, the hood starts to go. It's not too dinged up or anything. Still got all the original letters, and you know, the grill can be straightened out. Those are hard to find. It took me forever to find one. So yeah, so that's about it. 64 F100 long bed for sale. If you guys have any questions about it, feel free to hit me up. If you're interested in having us build it, contact us also. We might be able to build something for you. If you want it high or low, we can make something happen for you. You know, it'd be a great candidate for a coyote swap, diesel swap, anything really. We build a race truck out of it, street truck, whatever you guys want. Remember, world's your oyster, and we do all that and F100 stuff. So anyway, there it is. Thank you.